Hello, Fix-It Tony here. Today I'm trying to troubleshoot a toilet that intermittently keeps, quote, running. So I just flushed it, seeing if I can reproduce the effect. So no, I have not reproduced the effect today, but what it sounds like is what it was doing as the tank fills. So when you remove the tank cover from your toilet, this is a Kohler, so it's going to have some common componentry, and basically you have what we call a flapper that takes the water from the tank when you push this handle upwards, and flushes the toilet. Then you have this valve here. Oh, that's interesting. This is loose. Oh, that could be the problem. That should be inside the... I never noticed that just now. This is supposed to fill the bowl. So that means, oh, there's this little wire thingy. Yeah, well, that's part of the problem. Let's see if we can come up with a new problem. So what's happening is the water is filling in the tank, and there's this black float that when it comes up to the right level will push this lever up and shut the valve off. So I think I see what happens. So you see, boy, you can really tell. So you can tell the shape of the water. You see how the light is bending? You see how that light is bending? That means the surface tension of that water is keeping the water from actually going over the edge and back into the tank. If that seal were to break, or if intermittently the tank fills up with more water, just by the variance in the way that this float works and this valve pops up, water will keep flowing. So I think that's probably my problem. So I just need to do some minor adjustments to this little clip here so that it forces this lever up sooner. All right, so, and then it looks like that hose needs to get clipped back on there. Okay, so let's try that again. Yeah, you can just see how the water is just really just trying not to spill over the edge. So I need to adjust my float. So the way you have to think about this adjustment process, I'm gonna put the toilet tank lid. So I'm sitting, squatting on the toilet. So we want to have this pump, this little float, pop up sooner. So that means we want to force it down more. So the way that I'm going to do that is you squeeze this little clip down in here, and I slid it down. I probably went too much. Okay. That's better. That's better. You can see how I should try to take a frozen image. You can see now that it's a little bit under. That the water level is actually a little under. And you can see here that the light is not as bendy. All right, so this should give me a little bit of insurance. Now if yeah, that's at least a 1/16 of an inch. I can try it again and see if it's reproducible. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So just a small little tweak in the float to allow the water level to stay below this threshold to keep that sound or that intermittent toilet, quote unquote, running. Because in summary, when a toilet is still running, there's several reasons. One of which, though, is water from the tank just trickling over the edge here and into the bowl, tricking the float. Tricking the float that the water level's too low, and it trips this on. And it worked just enough that what happens is this drops. And it does this intermittently. And that's what I was hearing. All right. So I think that was my problem. But I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Bye.